Hello together. In this video I want to show you 3 different options how you can make a screenshot on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. So you can make a screenshot from almost any screen. So I can make it from this screen or from my settings. I can also open here, I don't know, Lens or Facebook. It doesn't matter. In the most cases my screenshot will work. In some cases the screenshot won't work. If you make a screenshot from a movie or something, there is a copyright management and then sometimes it won't work. But in the most cases it will work without a problem. So the first method you can make, how you can make a screenshot, is to just open here the secondary menu. You just swipe down here and then you swipe again down and you can see here screenshot. So I click here on screenshot and then it will make a screenshot here, and then you can see here is a small picture from the screenshot. It will disappear after some while, but it will reappear again here in your photos, and you can see this is a screenshot I have done earlier. So I can click and edit, and then I can do a lot of things. I can crop it and I can write something on it, like here everything's fine, okay, I'm finished, and then I can say save, and then now I have this picture here saved. This is the first option. The second option is to take 3 fingers and just swipe down from top to the bottom, and then it will also make a screenshot. And you can see here again the small picture, and I can click on this picture and can also here crop it and do a lot of things. And it's slightly different than the other one, but at the end you can also do it. And here you can see at the photos, here is my newest picture. And the third possibility how you can do a screenshot is to just press these 2 buttons, this volume down button and the power button. And when I make this and press this, and again a screenshot will be made, and you can see here at the photos, just to demonstrate it to you, I will just go here and just make again a screenshot, and this is the third option. So just use the option which you want to have. You have 3 different options to make a screenshot on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.